Hi, I'm Anne-Marie from Mind Skills. If you're a healthcare practitioner, you probably didn't open the practice to burn out or even to have no freedom. You really wanted to make an impact. But the truth is, without systems, even passion burns out. And that is the reason why I teach practitioners to build a freedom framework. It helps your practice flow, even if you are on a 2 week vacation. So together we look at building effortless patient pipelines, automating your admin, and also simplifying your finances. In other words, tracking certain important numbers. When these three systems work together, your practice stops draining your energy and it starts fueling your freedom. So, if you want to see how your practice is currently performing, fill out the practice audit. It will immediately give you a report of the health of your practice, and you will be able to see which areas you need to focus on. And it will also give you clarity on your priorities.